Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for September 16 to 30, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services hanggang September 30. Yan. So kung interesado kayo, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Ayan. And paalala lang, ang reading natin ay general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Let's see, Virgo, what's the energy? What's the energy for you? September 16 to 30. Okay, this is your overall energy, challenge, opportunity, blessing. You have the bottom of the deck is justice. So justice is bringing balance into your life. So maaring medyo maraming ganap, no? Maraming naging issue in the past. And now, inaayos mo ngayon yung sarili mo. Like, inaayos mo yung schedule mo, yung priorities mo. You also have the Fool, so this is taking a risk. Alam nyo, kung meron kayong papasuking anything, can be relationship or trabaho, business, career, at hindi nyo to pinag-aralan, pinag-isipan, mag-ingat, okay? Kasi you have the Seven of Swords here. Merong energy rito ng panluloko, deceit, or someone na merong hindi magandang intentions towards this, so you have to be very careful with that. And then you have the Star, Ace of Swords. This is a new beginning. I think yung iyong pangarap ngayon ay unti-unti mo nang natutupad. Yung mga plinano mo at you are na nagtitake ng action ka na, no? Gumagawa ka na ng action doon sa mga plano na yon. It's already happening. Kumbaga nakikita mo na yung resulta ng pinaghirapan mo. Hindi man siya agad-agad, pero may changes, no? Nakikita mo yung progress. Yan. You also have the Hermit and the Four of Cups. So, ang nakikita ko rito, umiiwas ka na sa mga taong dinidisappoint ka lang, or yung mga tao na alam mong hindi nag-a-align sa goals mo, hindi nag-a-align sa values mo, hindi nag-a-align sa priorities mo. So, maaring iba sa inyo, you might isolate yourself. Kumbaga, i-isolate mo yung sarili mo. Focus ka sa sarili mong mga goals. Iiwas ka dun sa mga panggulo. You have the Five of Wands. Pwede kasing meron ditong conflict with someone, may hindi pagkakaintindihan. I also see this as challenge para sa'yo, na parang nasa-challenge ka na mas maging competitive, no? Na mas ipakita pa yung iyong galing, yung talento mo, na at least na-i-inspire ka ngayon to make things happen for yourself. And then your challenge is the Knight of Swords. Some of you may be cutting off a connection, no? Na itong tao na to ay hindi mo gusto ang tabas ng dila. Yung tipong hindi siya maayos kausap, or yung bang alam mo, nararamdaman mo na may tinatago siya sa'yo, or hindi siya nagsasabi ng totoo, or bini-BS ka lang, no? Ng person na to. So you may be cutting off connections with this person. Your opportunity is the Four of Pentacles, which is stability. Stability in your finances. I also see na may mga mababayaran ka na mga loans na yung bang sobra pa sa inaakala mo. Kung ikaw ay may mga properties ngayon, you are planning to buy properties, this is the best time as well na makapag-invest ka. Yun nga lang, gaya ng nabanggit ko sa'yo, salain mo rin, no? Alamin mo, kilalanin mo yung mga taong ka-deal mo. Kasi maaring may pagkakataon dyan na makakatagpo ka ng manloloko. So, be very careful with that. Nakapag-focus ka rin ngayon sa pag-iipon. So, mas marami kang ipon ngayon kesa ng mga nakaraang buwan. Your blessing is the world. So, this is achievement. Meron kang achievement ngayong second half ng September. This can be related to your job, your business, yung career, yung finances mo. And also, if nasa internet ka, no, yung tipong ikaw ay influencer, social media, influencer, content creator, mas magiging matagumpay yung career mo dyan or yung sources of income mo if nanggagaling yan online. I also see recognition. So, you are going to be recognized. May mga taong magtitiwala at maniniwala sa iyong kakayanan. Money, career, finances, you have the Ace of Cups. So, this is a new source of happiness. Maaring may bagong trabaho, bagong business, bagong career na nagbibigay sa'yo ng happiness ngayon, fulfillment. I also see na meron ka ring taong tutulungan, like you will offer financial help or assistance or resources, magpapahiram ng gamit, ganon, para matulungan mo yung mahal mo sa buhay. And then, your love life is the Star. So, kung ikaw ay nanggaling sa isang separation, breakup, you are healing. Because the Star is about healing, focusing on yourself, and being more hopeful para sa future mo. At kung ikaw naman ay in a relationship right now, I think marami kayong pangarap ng person mo, ng partner mo. And nakikita nyo na kasi kung ano yung resulta ng mga pinaghirapan yung dalawa, no, as partners. So, pwedeng romantic partner to, pwedeng sa family, sa friends. Flying fish, this is taking a risk, no? Iba sa inyo, maaring you want to, parang taking a leap of faith, yan. Mas nagiging adventurous ka ngayon. Meron kang mga gustong subukan, mga bagong bagay, lalo na sa trabaho, career, business, na gusto mong subukan, pasukin, na never mo pang na-try before. Kasi nga, parang nag-e-explore ka eh. Mas nagiging adventurous ka eh. You also have the Moth. Moth is intuition, reliability. So, yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo, yan yung mag-guide sa'yo towards your goals, towards your dreams. Maganda siya kasi kung malakas yung instinct mo, intuition mo, alam mo na agad kung ano yung makakabuti sa'yo, alam mo yung hindi. And even the intention of other people, kapag nakasama mo, nakausap mo, ma-detect mo agad na, hindi to totoo. Oo. So, mapoprotectionan mo yung sarili mo. And maganda rin yan kasi you are divinely guided. So, yung mga plans mo, yung mga dreams mo, yung mga goals mo, will be guided, no? Kumbaga, alam mo yung mga actions na gagawin mo, what to do, where to go. Water energy. Very compassionate, no? So, you really care for others. Maaring, iba sa inyo, meron kayong mission dito sa mundo. Maaring spiritual mission, can be a healer in any way or form. Pwedeng nasa medical field kayo. Or you are spiritual healer. Very competent yung energy ninyo. Alam nyo, kung ang actions na gagawin nyo ay consistent, no, towards your goals, you will definitely get the best results. Diba? Always show up. Halimbawa, may goal ka. Show up for your goals. Example na lang, halimbawa, ang goal mo ay maging healthy and strong. O di syempre, ang mga actions na dapat mong gawin is, take your vitamins, eat mga healthy foods, mag-exercise. So, you have to show up every day. Papakita mo yan sa sarili mo. Gagawin mo. You take action and definitely, hindi ka mabibigo sa magiging resulta niyan. Take responsibility for your life as a creative adventure. Oh, adventure na naman. How can you live with more meaning, integrity, and truth? Yan, creative adventure. So, I feel like meron kang mga exploration na gagawin. You will tap into your knowledge, your skills, your abilities. Kumbaga, i-harness mo yan. Yung energy mo, yung galing mo, talino mo, talento mo. And, you will be able to create something great para sa sarili mo and even sa collective. So, some of you are into collective healing, or collective nurturing or teaching. You have Saturn in Virgo in the 6th house. Yeah, 6th house is your daily routine, your work. You have Saturn here. I think mas magiging yung sinasabi natin competent, no? Mas magiging structured ka, disiplinado, at alam mo kung ano yung detalye ng lahat ng gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. And dahil doon, no, alam mo yung dapat mong ikilos gawin, mas madali mong ma-achieve yung success para sa'yo. So, Saturn is the planet of karma. So, and rewards din. So, yung karma kasi, ano yung ibinibigay mo, yun din makukuha mo. So, kung nag-e-effort ka sa mga goals mo, sa mga dreams mo, definitely makukuha mo rin yung rewards na yan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.